What would happen if you could maximize your time in the sauna? Here are my 3 tips for sauna use, which every time you go in the sauna, I want you to think about these and start to implement them. Okay, number 1 is use a glass water bottle. I see so many people in a public sauna who are bringing their plastic water bottles in there. Yes, proper hydration is important, but you don't want to bring plastic and heat that up in the sauna for obvious reasons. So of course we know that the microplastics are not a healthy thing, so bring a glass water bottle into the sauna. It could be stainless steel as well. Now, another great thing that you can add into your water is your electrolyte mix. So I have other videos on that. It has magnesium bisglycinate in there, of course your sea salt, which is fantastic, and your cream of tartar, which is going to give you that extra potassium. Okay, tip number 2 to max out those benefits in your sauna is not to do it right before bed. You do want to have a bit of a cool off time, and this is ideally that infrared is going to be very stimulating to your cortisol levels and sort of giving you energy. So you may want to do that earlier in the day. So if you think about the sun and the heat of the sun, usually that's happening in a certain time frame of the day, depending on which season it is. So trying to sort of mimic nature and using your sauna time when the sun is actually out and your feet would naturally feel some of that heat from the sun, that's when you want to do your sauna. If it's after dark or too early in the morning, maybe not the best time. You do need a bit of a cooling off period after your sauna, and you don't want to do it right before bed. It can be a little bit too stimulating. Okay, and tip number 3 to maximize your benefits in the sauna is your timing. So you don't want to overdo it, and you want to spend enough time in the sauna as well. So it's believed that 20 minutes 4 and up to 7 times per week is ideal, and the temperature is important as well. So around 174 degrees Fahrenheit or 79 degrees Celsius is just about the right temperature. Now, of course, everybody's different and you're going to find what works the best for you, but you really want to maximize those benefits in your sauna by following those 3 tips. Now, we know that the frequency, so doing that frequent sauna exposure can protect against cardiovascular disease as found in this study, so it may be something beyond just the sweating and making you feel good. And those heat shock proteins, which we know is great for muscle repair and for actually building up some muscle mass, doing enough and doing it at the right time, at the right temperature is going to have great cardiovascular benefits as well, as we can see. Now, I mentioned that electrolyte mix drink. You can make this. I want you to check out this other video. I lay it out for you, the exact recipe, the keto electrolyte drink. I'll see you there.